What is up, you guys? Welcome back to NailGuyTV. Today we will be doing some pink quartz nails, and I'm really excited to share this technique with you guys. Let's get right into it. So we start off with 2 coats of this light sheer pink. Make sure we cure it since it's gel. Afterwards I put on a top coat. I'm going to leave that wet, so without curing it. Then I apply white straight on top of it, and I start blending that in. So the top coat is still wet. It creates a really nice blend there. It softens it up so it's more of a sheer white. After we've completed the background, we can start doing these little cracks here. I use straight white and just the very point of my brush, and it's okay. I love it when I go over the previous lines as well. I think it adds a lot of dimension to your nail art. So don't be afraid, try not to follow the same exact lines that you already had previously. Once we've done that, we cure it and put on our top coat. And that's when the magic happens. Make sure you like, subscribe, click the bell notification. If you have any ideas for future videos, be sure to leave a comment down below, and hopefully I can make that happen for you.